What's up, y'all? CKID here, man, back with another video for y'all, man. And in today's video, I'm going to be testing how fast the Galaxy Note 10 Plus can charge using a 45-watt charger. Now, if you guys don't know, the Galaxy Note 10 Plus can use up to a 45-watt charger to be able to fast charge the Galaxy device in itself. Now, it does come with a 25-watt charger that you guys get in the retail box that you can use, which is still great because it is an upgrade from the 18-watt charger that they typically put in the box. So to have a 25-watt charger is still good, but I'm going to test out the claims that it can handle a 45-watt charger, as well as show you guys how fast it charges using a 45-watt charger. So I had to test this out, so I went ahead and picked up a 45-watt charger off of Amazon. I'll have this one down linked in the description below if you guys want to check it out. And so we're going to go ahead and get it plugged in, take this out of the box, and we're going to go ahead and get it started. Now, what I'm basically going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to be testing this and coming back in intervals of 30 minutes. And see how far it has gotten as far as within the charging. So we're going to go ahead and test this out. Let's go ahead and take this bad boy here out of the packaging. I'll go ahead and show you guys here. The battery is at 0%, as you guys can see up at the top. So it's probably going to go ahead and die. So we're going to go ahead and let it die while I go ahead and charge this up. All right, so we're going to go ahead and plug this in right into the phone like so. And we're going to go ahead and let this charge, and we're going to see how fast it charges. I'm going to check back in here within 30 minutes, and we're going to see how fast it charges. All right, so we've already had it on the charger for about 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and check in and see how much juice we've gained. So right now we're sitting at 30% battery power, which is not bad. It's pretty much setting around 1% every minute. So yeah, so right now that's pretty good. So we're going to go ahead and let it sit again for another 30 minutes. And we're going to check back in with it to see how much juice we have gained using the 45-watt charger. All right, y'all, so checking back in. Now we're sitting at an hour and we're sitting at 72% of battery charge using the 45-watt charger. Again, this is a charger that I picked up off of Amazon. This is not the official 45-watt charger that you can get with Samsung that will be coming out here. So just wanted to preference that, but I am sitting at 72% charge using a 45-watt charging brick. All right, so go ahead and let me know right now down in the comment section below, what do you guys currently think of the speed with getting from 0% up to about 72% within 1 hour? Go ahead and let me know that down below. But in the meantime, we're going to go ahead and let this finish up, and we're going to check back in within another 30 minutes to see where we're sitting. All right, y'all, so checking back in, y'all. So this has been going on for about a good hour and a half. And we are sitting now at 100%. So basically, it's going to take you anywhere between an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half in order for you guys to charge your phone using a 45-watt charger from 0% all the way up to 100%. So if you guys like this video and want to see more videos like this from me, as I got more videos over here in the playlist you guys can check out. If you guys have any questions or anything you guys want answers to, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.